Keto Krate is a keto subscription box where you can pay a monthly fee every month. They send it to your doorstep, and it's filled with all kinds of keto snacks. It's a good way to try out different snacks. Sometimes you can't find them in the store, and you don't always want to buy everything online without trying them out first. This is actually my third Keto Krate, and I'm just now being able to record a video for it, but I just wanted to make a video of an unboxing just so I can kind of show you what is in there. So it's going to look just like this, and it's just a flat fee that you pay every month. And let's face it, keto snacks are not cheap. By the time we go to the store and we have our little basket full of our snacks that we're buying, or maybe we're just buying one or two at a time, but by the time you buy so many of them, that's a lot of money sometimes. So with this, you never know what you're going to get. So every month they put different snacks in there from different companies. So we're going to open this box today. We're going to find out what is in the February box, and then we are going to taste some of them. Let's go ahead and get this open and see what's in here. Okay, so first up, we got these Choc Zero white cookies and cream. Okay, they're just individually wrapped just like that. And just for the hell of it, let's see, they're 60 calories and 1 net carb. Okay, can't complain about that. I'm only gonna take one bite because I have to taste all these, and I'm not really trying to eat all this stuff. Those are good. Those are good. All right, let's try. Let's try these. Let me get the chocolate out the way because I'm not really a big chocolate fan. These are the peanut butter cup patties from Keto Wise. These are really good. I can keep eating that, but all right, I'll put that away. Those ones have almost like a Nutter Butter taste. They're good. So now we have these. These are jalapeno cheddar protein puffs, which I've tried a different brand. Those I think they're called protein puffs, but those were good. But let's see these. These are three carbs. And serving size is a bag. So for this packet here, you're going to get 3 carbs. If I can open this package. Okay. Think, Sabrina, think. There's just these little cheddar balls right here. They got a little bit of a kick. They're good. I could eat those. Okay. All right, let's try these here. These are the shameless snacks, and I recently tried these because my girlfriend bought me the blueberry ones. They were really good. Like, I've tried a lot of keto candies that were really hard, and they're really hard to chew. These ones are really actually soft. These ones are OMG peach. I love peach rings, so let's see what these taste like. Mmm. Mmm. They're little peaches. These are good. I like these a lot. like a lot, a lot. All right, so here we're gonna have schoolyard snacks, keto puffs, hot Cheeto puffs. This is 4 net carbs for this bag here. Okay. I like hot Cheetos, but I never really ate the puffs, but I'm gonna try them out. They're not red like Cheetos are. They're like a off red. I feel like dark color here, but we'll try them. Not for me. No, I don't really care for those. All right, let's try these sour cream and onion pork rinds. Mm-hmm. Oh, those are actually really good. Those are pretty good. All right, let's try these freeze dried mallows. They're supposed to be like little marshmallows, but it's a cool little container here for these mini ones here. Have to figure out what to do with these. Okay, let me just open this thing. I mean, I'm sure you could put these like in your hot chocolate, or I don't know. They look like the little Lucky Charms ones. They are like the Lucky Charms ones. Get it, Sabrina? Freeze dried? Duh. Now I know what. Now I know what they're called. Okay, these are good. If you like Lucky Charms cereal, you're gonna love these so much. You're gonna love, love, love them. These are so good. All right, let me get one more. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go get a little spoon so I can taste this. Okay, let's try the almond butter. Let's see how it tastes. I've actually not, I've had almond butter before, but I've actually been meaning to try it for a couple recipes I wanted to try, but I don't know. I haven't bought any, and it's actually on my list to buy coming up soon, and now I don't have to. Unless it's nasty, of course, but if you like the taste of almond butter, I mean, this is exactly how I would think almond butter would taste because it tastes just like almonds. So that is my unboxing of the February Keto Krate. If you're interested in checking them out, I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description down below. I believe you can get like a discount if you click on the link for it. You can sign up for a subscription. It'll come to you every month to your doorstep. If you want to pause it or you don't want it no more, you can just, there's no contract or anything. You can just cancel it anytime, or you can put like the next shipment on hold. Say you just want to take a month break for it or a 2 month break, go ahead and just put it on hold. Continue whenever you want, or don't continue. But yeah, so let me know in the comments down below if you have ever tried any of these snacks that we tried today. I have honestly never tried any of them. The only one that I have tried is that brand of the pork rinds I've had before, and I've had the shameless snacks with the blueberry, so I knew I was gonna like those. What kind of keto snacks do you guys like? Like, do you guys like chocolate? Do you prefer like snacky things like chips and things like that? Or do you prefer like sour candies? I'm a candy person, that's my downfall. I've never really been into chocolate, but let me know what you like down in the comments. And make sure that you do hit like on this video. Let me know if you want to see more videos just like this.